Casablanca 4 Seasons 3 ceiling fan. It has bleach oak blades, but this is a different condo unit. It has a spotlight kit, which is kind of cool. Light. All 4 lights work. Good. Dim it. Sorry, my mom's watching TV. The door's open. I want you day after day. That does these 2 lights. That does that light. That does these 2 lights. That does these 2 lights. That does these lights. So yeah. I wonder how they put this chain on the fan as the fan chain. This might be supposed to be the fan chain with the Casablanca logo. How do they put a knob on here? How do they put the light chain on the fan? Put it backwards. I don't know. Too long. There's another one of these. There's one in my room. This is the master bedroom. So yeah. Ooh! The switch housing's bent. Oh. I'll look for here. It's kind of bent. I don't know. It looks bent to me in person. I don't know if you can tell on the camera. I can tell in person. Might need to find somebody to prop the camera. Oh, cable box is on here. How about this chair right here?
All go away, and how about this one? All go away, and
Here we go. We found the way to prop the camera. Yeah. Medium. My phone battery is actually dying. So that's about me. There's medium. Feel some air from about medium. Liam, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Light?
We all go. How about this? We all go away.
Light? Dim it. There's high. Now Casablanca. This moves a ton of air. Smooths some air, fair amount of air, but it's Casablanca's answer to the Builder fan. It actually uses a Hunter motor in it. So here's the light. Spin down with the light. Reverse it. That closet's locked. Spin down time is pretty long. How many batteries? I'm still recording? I checked because my battery's dying. So I have to do reverse quickly. Long spin time on here. Right? They're pretty heavy. Bearings are stiff are great on there. spin down. Long spin down time in this thing. Good God. If this was in a group of fans, this may be one of the spin down winners. So that's about his low reverse. I'm gonna have to give it a push because I don't want my camera battery to run low. To give it a push. Alright, my brother can't see really well. Here's medium. Reverse. And high reverse. Off. Send it back to forward. Does it work? Yep. That is it. That is the Casablanca 4 Season 3 ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.